van. I'm Caroline Bonnet. I'm going to show you how to make my gluten-free salt and pepper coated eggplant. So first of all, get a nice little eggplant, also known as aubergine. I'm just going to make some nice little slices here. This is great for vegans, gluten-free. All you need is water. We've got beautiful rainwater here, so all we're going to do is wet the eggplant in water and then get the gluten-free salt and pepper coating, one of my most favourite products, especially for those that are gluten intolerant. And just open up the bag. You don't need huge amounts, so you can use it for many different amounts of people and however much you want to cook. So we just got to wet them both sides. We'll pop it in the flour. Give it a nice good helping of the coating. I like to use my hands because you can get it on a bit better. Push it on. And then we're going to cook it. Heat up a pan, nice and hot. Just an ordinary vegetable oil. Got a nice hot pan. Pop it in. We need to sizzle it on both sides for about 2 minutes a side. Okay, here we go. Golden brown on both sides. Very easy to do. Let's plate that up. Really good with salad, veg, whatever you like. But for today, I'm just going to use a little bit of balsamic glaze just to cut through the oil there. A bit of my own garden parsley. And that is my salt and pepper coating, gluten-free on eggplant. Delicious.